Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious stew. So if you're new here, please kindly hit the red button, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll get the notification anytime I post some nice delicious goodies. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much, guys. So if you're tired of regular stew, you want the taste of buka or mama put stew, you try this recipe, you will thank me. So for this, you can see here I already put my tomatoes, my peppers and my onion on my baking tray. I lined it with foil paper. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and roast them in the oven. You can use your outdoor grill if you have anyone, or you grill on your grill. So for me, I'm using my oven, and you can see my tomatoes are like this because they were in the freezer, so I brought them out. So it's always nicer if you use fresh tomatoes and pepper. So if you can, use fresh tomatoes and pepper, but if you can't, you save your tomatoes like me, who I keep them in the freezer. You can still do it this way. So they just came out of the oven. See them burnt and charred. This is what gives it that buka feel, you know, like that firewood, like you cooked it with firewood, you know, that mama put stew. Are you feeling me? I know you are, guys. So after grilling this until it's almost burnt, you blend. So here I have my meat, goat meat, beef and assorted. Makes it nicer. And my pomo, you know Sandra loves pomo. If there was no pomo, I'm sure you guys would have asked me what happened to our pomo. So and I'm going to cook the meat with that tiny onion over there and my pepper. So I have my seasoning, salt, curry, thyme to boil my meat. You can add fish if you want, egg to make it the more original mama put. Like if you go to bukas in Nigeria, like they have everything inside this stew. So but for this one, I'm going to just use assorted and cow beef and goat meat. The assorted is cow assorted, that's the stomach, the tripe and the other stuff, liver and all that. So I'm gonna boil this and cook until it's tender. So I like pepper in my meat, so I like pepper generally, so that's what I'm adding. And this pepper is kind of hot. It's hotter than our regular red pepper here in Nigeria. This is the yellow pepper. So for people outside Nigeria, perfect. You can use 1 or 2 peppers, that's enough. So I'm adding my seasoning here, crushed seasoning cubes and salt. In goes the thyme and the curry. And here's my Italian herbs. It just gives my sauce an extra kick, so it has some different herbs in it. So we're gonna cook this, cover it and cook it until it's tender. Just need this amount of water to cook it and still get little stock out of it. So I'm cooking them all together because the cow tripe here is kind of hard, so it takes time to cook. So I'm cooking everything together. So here is our tomato sauce from the grilled tomatoes. You don't have to cook this anymore. You already dried it up in the oven or on the grill. You see the color is different. Trust me guys, this is a very delicious stew. It tastes different from your normal fry your tomatoes or cook your tomatoes. It tastes totally different from that. So now our meat is ready. I'm going to fry the meat. Guys, I hate frying meat. Like, God will bless the person who made air fryer or deep fryer. Both air fryer and deep fryer. God will bless you wherever you are. I hate frying meats on the frying pan, or that is like you're fighting war. You'll be blocking. But today I'm going to fry because I want the sauce to go into the oil too. So it tastes nicer anyway. That's why I'm doing it this way. So now I've added my tomatoes and pepper into the oil. I didn't change the oil, guys. I used the same oil I used in frying the meat to make the stew. It gives it an extra something. That's why I use the same pot I used for frying the meat. I use same pot to make the stew. So now I'm adding the cooked assorted. I didn't fry them. I'm adding the cooked assorted and the omo. I'm adding them now because just in case they didn't really cook, they're not soft enough, it will cook more in the stew, and the stew gets to soak into the meat. Like every bite of the meat, you get to taste the stew. Like each bite, you taste the stew. So that's why I'm adding it now. Guys, don't mind me, I'm a foodie. I love food so much, so that's why you're getting this description. So now I'm adding my fried meat into the stew. So now we'll cover this to cook for some minutes, like 5 minutes. We'll cover it, cook for 5 minutes, and voila! Your mama put stew is ready. Mama put stew is ready. So don't mind me, guys. So you can eat this with anything: hot rice, plantain. My God,